When Ford revives the Boss 429 name, the automotive world pays attention. Today we're breaking down this stunning 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429, based on newly surfaced design images that fuse classic muscle car DNA with modern hyper-performance attitude. From that massive hood scoop to the glowing triple-bar taillights, this Mustang doesn't whisper, it roars. Up front, the Boss 429 immediately separates itself from standard Mustangs. The deep black grille carries the iconic running horse emblem, flanked by aggressive quad-style LED lighting that modernizes classic Mustang faces. The hood scoop dominates the centerline, tall, functional, and unapologetic, hinting at huge airflow demands underneath. A wide, carbon-style front splitter stretches across the lower fascia, accented by red trim and flanked by massive air intakes for brake cooling and engine airflow. This front end looks engineered for serious speed, not styling theatrics. From the side, the Boss looks long, wide, and brutally planted. The fastback roofline flows cleanly into the rear deck, echoing vintage Mustangs while sitting far lower and wider. Finished in vivid metallic green, the body is broken up by black side skirts, red accent stripes, and massive black wheels with red ring detailing. Behind them sit oversized performance brakes, and on the front fenders, the Boss 429 script proudly announces what this car is about. It has the posture of a car designed to dominate both drag strips and road courses. Spin it around, and the rear doubles down on drama. Signature triple-bar LED taillights stretch across a gloss black panel, paired with a centered Mustang emblem and Boss 429 badging. A ducktail spoiler and rear window louvers bring old-school flavor, while the aggressive diffuser houses quad exhaust outlets, 2 per side. Subtle red lighting accents under the bumper make the rear glow like afterburners at night. It's one of those designs that looks intimidating even when standing still. Inside, Ford clearly treated this as something special. The cabin blends digital instrumentation with carbon fiber trim and tan leather sports seats, all washed in red ambient lighting. The dashboard carries illuminated Boss 429 branding, reinforcing exclusivity. A flat-bottom steering wheel, rotary drive selector, premium stitching, and performance-oriented controls give it the feel of a modern Grand Tourer with track intentions. It's luxury muscle done properly, aggressive but daily drivable. Ford hasn't confirmed specs yet, but the Boss name carries enormous weight. Expect either an evolved, supercharged 5.2-liter Predator V8 or a bespoke naturally aspirated monster. Power estimates? Somewhere between 750 and 850 horsepower, with a 0 to 60 sprint in the low 3-second range. Track-ready suspension, massive brakes, active aerodynamics, and reinforced chassis tuning would likely come standard. This would slot above the dark horse and directly challenge Shelby territory. Positioning like this wouldn't come cheap. Expect pricing between $110,000 and $150,000, limited production, and a late 2025 reveal ahead of 2026 deliveries. So the real question is, would you choose the Boss 429 over a future Shelby GT500? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more deep dive looks at tomorrow's most exciting performance cars.